It's an easy rule of thumb to follow what others in the same industry do regarding safety. But as technology advances and new discoveries are made, following what has always been done may not be a sufficiently safe practice. In Dempsey versus Addison Crane Company, we'll explore whether following industry practices is sufficient to shield businesses from negligence liability for injuries associated with those practices. William Dempsey was hired by a contractor to work as a pile driver on a construction project. The contractor also rented a crane and its operator from Addison Crane for work on the project. The crane had a 60-foot-long arm with a 30-foot extending piece that could be attached to the arm using a hook to reach places the arm couldn't. While the crane was lifting a welding machine to reposition it, Dempsey and 3 other pile drivers held the machine's corners to keep the machine steady. Unfortunately, an extending piece attached to the crane's arm broke loose and fell, seriously injuring Dempsey and killing another pile driver. Dempsey sued the Addison Crane operator in the United States District Court for the District of Columbia. Dempsey claimed that the operator was negligent for 2 reasons. 1, he left the extending piece attached to the arm when it wasn't in use, and 2, the manner in which the extending piece was attached to the arm was unsafe. Although most cranes in the industry, including Addison cranes, used an open hook to fasten the extending piece, there was a design available that used a closed-loop system. Dempsey's experts testified that the way Addison Crane's extending piece was attached was unsafe because the open hook design could easily slip or become dislodged, which was remedied with the closed-loop design.